Still not getting clear, glowing skin even after watching 100 videos? It's frustrating, I know, but that ends today. I'm going to share the exact 4 steps that actually work to transform your skin. Follow every single step carefully, don't skip anything, and get ready to see the glow you've always wanted. Morning Glow Drink. Morning is the reset button for your skin. Your body wakes up dehydrated, your stomach is empty, and your skin needs internal hydration before anything else. If your digestion is slow, your glow stays hidden. Start your day with this glow booster. Warm water. 1 teaspoon honey. Lemon. It wakes up your metabolism, fights puffiness, smooths your stomach, and gives your skin that natural soft shine. Simple, cheap, effective. Cleansing. This is where 90% of people lose their glow. Cleansing isn't about washing more, it's about washing right. Cleanser twice a day. Morning cleanse. Use a gentle cleanser just to remove overnight oil and sweat. Don't strip your skin first thing in the morning. Night cleanse. This is the important one. All day your skin collects sunscreen, dust, pollution, and oil. If you sleep with that on, breakouts, dullness, texture, everything starts there. This keeps your pores clean and protects your natural oils. Over-cleansing equals instant dullness. Glow foods. Why food controls your skin? Your skin is built from the food you eat. If your diet is dead, your skin will look dead. Glow comes from nutrients, not makeup. Want glowing skin fast? Just add 1 glow food to your day. Eat papaya, pomegranate, orange, soaked almonds, walnuts, or drink coconut water. Pick any one daily, your skin will show the difference. These hydrate your cells, brighten your skin tone, and repair your skin from inside. Now the mask that gives visible glow. Mix 1 tablespoon yogurt, a pinch turmeric, 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Yogurt exfoliates gently and smooths your skin. Turmeric brightens and evens out your skin tone. Honey adds that dewy glassy finish. Apply for 10 to 15 minutes. Use once or twice a week. And the best part? This mask gives you glow without dryness, without irritation, and without chemicals. So that's your glow routine. The drink that wakes your glow. The cleansing that protects it. The foods that build it. And the mask that makes it shine. Do this for 7 days and your skin will start glowing for real.